Kickstarter, super excited to be back for campaign number 3. Our last campaign, we sold personalised Swiss Army knives and they sold out in 36 hours. Since then, we've made nearly 1,000 Swiss Army knives. So we thought it's about time that you can make your own. So we've created the very first make your own Swiss Army knife kit. Inside, you're going to have instructions, all the tools, everything that you need to build a Swiss Army knife from scratch. In terms of materials, we've got brass and sandblasted titanium and an extra special collector's edition polycarbonate clear scaled Swiss Army knife, which is absolutely amazing because you can see the mechanism and how it works. They can all be personalised, and you can do that when you go through to the reward section and just click on different add-ons on what you want. I'm going to be shipping all these October this year, and the first 10 backers are going to receive a free EDC gift giveaway. We did it last time and everyone really loved it. Every single reward backer is also going to get a free entry into the EDC gift giveaway. So there you have it, the very first make your own Swiss Army knife kit. I hope you enjoy the campaign and checking out all the different rewards. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments. But otherwise, we're super excited to get started, and thanks very much. Cheers.